Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Crime branch and Porvorim police in two separate raids have busted two illegal online betting gangs, but both the gangs were operating from Porvorim only. In one case, crime branch has raided one rented premise at Porvorim where they were found that a gang from Telangana was operating from there and they were taking bets on ongoing IPL matches. In that case, 3 accused have been arrested and articles like mobile phone and laptops have been seized, all worth 1,80,000 rupees. In second case, Porvorim police has also raided one rented premise at Porvorim in which a gang from Gujarat was operating and was also taking bets on ongoing IPL match. In that case, 2 accused have been arrested and articles like mobile phone and laptop all worth 80,000 rupees have been seized. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.